Hi, welcome to Smart Spoken English Hub. This is a third class. This platform is very interesting platform to learn speaking English. Just watch this video till the end if you have any intention to learn this lesson. Let me discuss on the topic which is very important for you. The topic is the welcome time and farewell time. Just I'm going to write this. Welcome time is very important. Welcome time and farewell time. Farewell time. So very necessary persons. Welcome time and farewell time during your conversations. So sometimes we feel very trouble, and suppose we're going to meet with someone or meet with an interview or anywhere else, just any high profile man, we feel trouble how to talk with that person or with that anyone else. So just we have to problem how to start, how to welcome others. It's very necessary problems. All of we feel trouble. So just listen carefully, watch this carefully. So just welcome time. What is welcome time and what is the farewell time? Any conversation there is obviously a starting time. So any conversation there is starting time, also there is ending time. Ending time. Obviously the starting time, suppose you're going to start talking with someone, so we have to start. So which were very applicable for starting your conversation? So that is the great problem to start speaking, and how to speak, how to end the whole conversations. So that is the ending point, starting point and ending point. And obviously there are few words, and obviously there are few words. So we have to know carefully. Just I remove the person. So let's get started. The actual person we're going to learn. Basically, welcome time, very necessary. Conversation. Very welcome time is very necessary person. Suppose we're going to meet with someone. So all of we know few words. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening is the very necessary words to at the beginning of the conversation we use. So basically same. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very necessary. Three types of words, very important. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Actually, good morning is a phrase, one kind of phrase you can say, or good afternoon also a phrase, or good evening also a phrase. So three types of words. Time of starting, you can use good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Those words are very important to start a conversation. But the time to use them, each of phrases has your particular time to use. Good morning, it has a particular time to use. Good afternoon, it has a particular time to use. Good evening, it has a particular time to use. We should know obviously the particular time and duration of the time. So basically, first of all, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. is the starting time. 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. is the great time to use good morning. 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. is a great time to use good morning, and in such duration so we use good morning, and that is the formal and very important. Don't forget that. From 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. is a great time to use. That is the formal. And you can use good morning. Don't go beyond 12 p.m. and use good morning. It is informal. So that's why you have to use good morning. From 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. is the great time. Next point, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the great time to use good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very important person. From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the great time to use good afternoon. You can welcome, and suppose you're going to meet with someone else, suppose you can and welcome others or that person. So suppose you meet within the time, so you can use good afternoon. Suppose you're going to welcome within a time, so you can use good morning. It's a special and formal. Obviously in case it is a formal for use. Next point, 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. From 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. is a great time to use good evening. Good evening. So just watch this carefully. From 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. it is a great time to use good evening. Is a better and formal for use in your conversation. That's why 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. is a great. Within that time you can use good evening. Don't go beyond 11 p.m. I think from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. you can use good evening. So from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. is a great time to use good morning, and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is a great important time to use good afternoon. And obviously from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. you can use good evening. I think all of you understand the welcome time. Suppose we're going to make the conversation end, so at the situation we have to make it farewell. So all of you understand the three portions of welcome. So during the time to welcome others, so you can use and you can start with those words. So very important and necessary. So next, farewell time. Suppose you have started your conversation, but you have to make the conversation farewell. That's why in such situation you have to use few words at the situation at the end of the whole conversation. Suppose you take a leave in such situation, so you have to use. So that is the great person, and you have to know the person. So basically, suppose we have to use few words to make the whole conversation farewell or end. So suppose that is the great person and great problem we have to face. There are few necessary words that are used at the end of your conversation or any conversation. Suppose good night. Good night. Suppose good night. Very necessary words at the situation. Suppose you are at night, so you can say good night. Very necessary words. Or instead of good night, you can say sweet dream. Sweet dream. I think sweet dream is better and good night also better. So you can say at night, good night or sweet dream. Suppose anywhere else. So just at the situation. So at the bedtime also. So next person, any part of a day you can say, any part of a day, any part of a day. Any part of a day you can use good day to you. So any part of a day you can say at the end of your conversation, so good day to you, or by see you again. So see you again or later. So good day to you, bye bye, see you again and or later, or tata. So smart words, tata. So any part of a day you can use at the end of your situations or any conversation. So you can use good day to you, bye bye, see you again or later, tata. So it is very important, obviously, as well as welcome also very important. So welcome person very important and farewell person very important. So I think both persons are necessary to know. So good night, sweet dream, and any part of a day you can use good day to you or bye bye, see you again or later, tata. So at the situation when conversation turns to end, so at the situation you can use just farewell words, good night, sweet dream. Any part of a day you can use good day to you and bye bye, see you again later or tata. And at the situation when conversation starts, so welcome time you can use so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Also I will make you remember the person from 11 p.m. good night is the great. From 11 p.m. good night is the great word to use at the bedtime, I think also. And obviously you can use in the bedtime, so sweet dream, I think that was very important. So all of you understand the whole matters to use and when and where those are words used. So very necessary lesson, I think. So if you have any problems over those portions, so make comment on comment box. And if you like this video, obviously like, and to notice others, obviously share. Thank you so much for watching this.